Think now about riba and the consequence it has. What consequence does it has? Ultimate injustice, whereby what happens? The rich get richer and the poor gets poorer. And it's almost like, what does riba do? Allah has created wealth, and wealth is the means of our subsistence. Now what's happening is it's almost like you're taking that means and subsistence away from people. So in other words, if you wanted to, you can really refer to it as a slow death. Exploiting people in terms of, in as far as their wealth is concerned, is a form of economic suffocation, which ultimately leads to their death. And Allah SWT in Quran, the two maqasid of the Sharia, the one maqsad is the preservation of wealth, and the other maqsad, the other purpose of the Sharia is the preservation of life. When Allah SWT reveals the verse that relates to the preservation of wealth, Allah says, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, la ta'kulu amwalakum bainakum bil batili illa an takuna tijaratan an taradin minkum. When you exchange wealth, then it must be based on mutual consent. Don't usurp wealth from one another. So all of these verses, what is this verse trying to establish? The preservation of wealth. Immediately thereafter, Allah SWT says, وَلَا تَقْتُلُوا أَنفُسَكُمْ. Don't kill yourselves. What does it talk about? The preservation of life. Allah just didn't haphazardly mention the preservation of wealth and the preservation of life together. So the preservation of wealth is tied into the preservation of life. In order to preserve life, you must preserve wealth. One of the ways of not preserving wealth is riba, because you're exploiting the means of subsistence. And if you exploit that, the means of subsistence, and you limit it, it means you only grant yourself access to it and you don't allow others access to it. It's almost as if you are killing them.